Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to delete empty cell in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and you can see here one column, the cells ID, and in this column have some empty cell. You can see, and this cell I want to delete it. Okay. So simply select the full column. Then click on this three dot. Then click on the create filter option. And here the filter is applied. Then click on this icon and here just click on the clear selection. Okay, then select blanks, then click on the OK. And here you can see the empty cell is filtered. After that, select all row. So I select the one, then press the shift key, then select second, third, and fourth. Okay, and right click of the mouse and click on the delete selected rows. And that's it. Now just click on the filter, clear all, select all, drag below, click on done. That's it. So this is a way you can delete empty cell in Google Sheet. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.